What is that over there? Where are we? Where are we? What's that behind you? What's that above you? What's that underneath you? Where are we? What are we doing? Where are we? Today we're talking all about prepositions. Where things are, where it is, directions. Where things are. And we're going to start right now. But before we do, click on that subscribe button just below to don't miss out on any future videos. Let's get started. So let's look at a few prepositions. So we have on. The hat is on my head. Under. What is underneath your desk? What is that down there? Yeah. Next to. I like this one. Next to. My wall is next to me. In front of. Directly in front of you. Not next to you, not behind. Behind. In front. My camera is in front of me. And now my whiteboard is in front of me. What's in front of you? A laptop? An iPhone? The road? Oh gosh, if it's the road. Stop, man, stop. For once, don't watch the video if you're driving. Whew. Alright. Behind. Behind. So, in front, behind. Behind. Yeah. What's behind you? My whiteboard is behind me. But what's behind the camera? Well, we shall see, won't we? We shall see. What's behind you? Yeah. Between. Now this one's always an interesting one because I always do this to the students. Like between. Between. Like there's that song, Between a Rock and a Hard Place. Okay? So you got one thing here, another thing there. Between. In the middle. Around. So like what's around here? What's around over there? Yeah, or like around. What's around here? It's going around there. Similar to behind. What is behind it? But we have to look around. What's behind me? I need to turn around. Through. To go through something. Again, with the students, I always do something like this. Just through. Through. Yeah. Because you're going to go through something. You're going to go through. We are going to drive in the tunnel through the mountain. We are going to swim through the lake. We're going to walk through the door. And next to. Oh, I already had next to. Yeah, there's actually one next to it. There's two next tos. Well, accidental. But I've got a whiteboard next to me. I got my suspenders next to my shoulders. Yeah. Just prepositions. Where things are. So, for example, what do you have behind you? Again, what do you have behind you? Behind you. Behind you. What's that behind you? Like I have a desk behind me, just there. I have pictures, paintings, bit of hardware, dry cleaners to pick up. Yeah, and a bit of some nice fancy tailoring, little receipt to pick up. Yeah. So I got stuff behind the camera. What have you got behind you? What have you got next to you? I've got a door, and a wall next to me. Underneath. Nothing's underneath. Although you could argue, I got a marker, whiteboard eraser underneath me, but it's just here. Not underneath, per se. But what about you? What have you got where? What have you got where? You tell me. Comment below. But let's take it up a notch. And let's talk about prepositions of place. Simply where things are. So we had in. The secret. The secret is in the box. The ring is in the container. The ring is in the safe. Ooh. At. Where are you at? Where are you? Like I am at England, or I am in England. I am at a city. On. What are you standing on? I'm standing on a carpet. Not very creative, but I'm standing on a carpet. Above. This one's nice. This one's nice because when I ask my students, Well, when we talk about prepositions with my students, I like to ask them, break the fourth wall, and say, what's above you? What have you got above you? Well, I have a ceiling above me, and also a light, but you can't see the light because reflections. This whiteboard has to be a certain angle, otherwise no reflections. Above. So on top of. Now this one's interesting because you can say on top of, I have a book on top of the bookshelf, just here. But you can also say like a list of things, like on top of the shopping, I need to get the car cleaned. On top of that, I need to get the dry cleaning collected. I need to go collect it. So you can say like a list of things, as well as or on, in, at, above or else. These are these are prepositional verbs, prepositional phrases, but we might cover it later on. But another one, opposite. Opposite, and I always go with the students. I always do this, like the opposite direction, to essentially mean, like essentially 180 degrees. 180 degrees, opposite direction. Complete, you're going that way, but the opposite is this way. So for example, you could say, what is opposite the room? I have opposite me a nice window. Or if I'm over here, I got opposite me, I got a door. Opposite me, as well as in front of me, is a whiteboard. Next to me is a door, behind me is a window. It all changes based on where you are. Again, where are things? What about you? What have you got opposite you right now? What about you? And that, as well as, on top of that, what else have you got to do today? What else have you got to do today? This is my third video recorded today, so on top of those three that are almost ready to be put on YouTube, I have 2 more to record, and then, it's not there, but then I'm going to go out and relax for the day, have some time off. Let's keep going, But let's go one step beyond and look at prepositions of time. So essentially, when things happen. Like I could say at. I am at the party. I'm at the library. Or on. I'm on my way to something. I'm on my way to menswear store. Yeah. I'm going to the house. By. Let's think. By something. Or even past. And this one's interesting. It's half past the hour. It's quarter past the hour. Likewise, then it's quarter to the hour. And even in Germany, you'd say it's halfway to the hour. Not half past, halfway to the hour, but we don't really say that. Instead, likewise, you wouldn't say it's 55 minutes to the hour. You'd say it's 5 minutes past the hour. 5 minutes past. Actually, literally right now, it's 5 past 11. You wouldn't say it's 55 minutes to 12. It's 5 past 11. Past and to. So prepositions of time, just when things are happening. I'm going by the lake. I'm going to the lake. I'm at the lake right now. I'm on my way to something. I'm driving and I'm on my way to the venue. What about you? What time is it where you are? Is it half past the hour? Is it quarter to the hour? I have no idea. It's 5, 7 minutes past 11, but you know, it's past 11. What about you? What time is it over there? Very curious. So let's go one step further and look at prepositions of duration. So how long things last. So we could say, I am teaching from 9 till 5 p.m. I will teach between 2 and 3 p.m. I will be unavailable, you can't get me, between 1 and 2 p.m. I am teaching for 7 hours. I'm going to stop teaching after 5 p.m. So what about you? What are you going to do today for 4 hours? How many videos are you going to watch after this one? But then you could also say by plus time. So by 2 p.m. something. I want to finish recording my videos by 1 p.m. during the day. because I want to go for a day trip. I want to go out. After this, I'm going to do something else. Then also, look at that, before time. So before 6 p.m, I want to finish the gym before 6 p.m, and also the recordings before 6 p.m. today. So I have got to do a lot of things for the next 7 hours. How cool is that? So from 9 o'clock this morning, I've been recording videos for 2 hours. Then after, I got 2 more videos to record after this. Between doing other things like breakfast and setting up the files. But then look again, by and time, by 2 p.m, by 3 p.m, by the end of the day, by tomorrow morning, by 2020 I want to achieve X. Before and time, before 2020, before, like, happens before. By is like just in time for, and before is before, any day sooner. By is on the day. So before the video, before let's think, before the video ends, before I don't know, by the before you watch the entire video, and by the time the video ends, you should subscribe, because that's prepositions for you. Where things are, what's happening, above, behind, inside, upside down, around, behind, in front, opposite. That's prepositions. Where things are, how long things are taking place, and things like that. How cool is that? So subscribe, click on the bell notification right next to it to always get the latest video.
For those of you that stick around to the very end,
keep going with your English.
There's a bonus
lesson for you. Thanks a lot.
Idiomatic phrases.
I'll see you next time. Idioms, really. The phrase means something else other than what it says, what it reads as. So in this case then, over the moon. Over the moon. What does that mean? Like the moon in the sky at night? Don't point at the moon, by the way. Don't point at the moon. So over the moon. So happy. You're so overjoyed. You're over the moon about something. I have no idea where that idiom came from, but over the moon. Happy chappy. Under the weather. Like you're not feeling very well. Oh, under the weather. So, just ill and coughing and sneezing and so tired. So not well at all. Not well, but generally speaking, happy. Yeah. And up to my eyes. Up to my eyes. I've had up to here. I've had it up to here with all this stuff. I'm so annoyed. I've had it up to here with everything. Had enough. No more. Up to my eyes. I'm up to my eyes in ideas, up to my eyes in videos to record, up to my eyes in work, up to my eyes in all sorts of stuff. I'll tell you a secret also while I'm on the topic of up to my eyes. Nature abhors a vacuum. If there's ever any spare time, nature, laws of physics, something will find out a way, will figure out a way to fill that time with something to do. So you're up to your eyes in responsibilities, up to your eyes in videos to watch, up to your eyes in liabilities, up to your eyes in reasons why you should subscribe to the channel. You're up to your eyes. There's loads. But there's prepositions for you. Keep learning. Keep going with English. Subscribe. Click on the like button. Check out other videos. Check out other playlists. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.